Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fund code within your account on the Bitget crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will end up within the home page. From here, tap on the account icon at the top left corner. And now tap on the right arrow key alongside your username. Now within your user center page, you can tap on security. And now if you scroll down, you will see the fund code option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now be able to create your fund code right away. Just type in your desired fund code within the given section and then type it in once again underneath for confirmation. Finally, tap on the submit button. And now you will need to verify using your passkey. If your passkey is a hardware passkey, then connect it in order to verify or enter your biometrics. And as soon as you provide the passkey, your fund code will successfully be set up. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a fund code within your account on the Bitget crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.